What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, what it do? So guys, basically today we're gonna do a Glam eye serum review. So with that being said, we're gonna jump right into it. This is probably gonna be the shortest segment of it. This right here is the eyelash growth serum from Glam Eye Pharmacy. It comes in a 5 milliliter bottle container, and it also comes with a spoolie brush, so that it's an eyelash serum because it's for to grow your lashes. So you apply it to the actual lash like you would mascara. Also, it's a growth serum, so it can also be used on the eyebrows. It also contains castor oil so that it promotes growth. That being said, we're going to go in and I'm going to do this side, show you all how I do it. You just take the spoolie, you look in your mirror, and you just brush your eyebrows out. Then me personally, I like to go in and basically make my eyebrows look like I'm getting ready to do them. So I'll form that arch. I'll lay these extra hairs that way, and then basically fan it and let it dry. As you all saw, I had just did this one. I just did this top lash, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna do the bottom lash because of course growth is everywhere. You can grow the bottom lash too. Also, what I like to tell people is to let it dry. Do not wipe your eyes, rub your eyes. Let it dry for about 90 seconds. So basically a minute and a half or close to 2 minutes. Let it dry, please, because if you don't, you're going to basically wipe the serum off and it's not going to be actually promote any growth. My eyebrows are thick, but they're even thicker now that I've been using this. I've been using it for about a good 3 months now. This is my second container, so this is travel appropriate. You can just throw it in your purse, throw it in your bag, and whenever you feel like, oh, I need a little spruce on the brows, or I need to make my eyelashes stand out without putting mascara or any type of brow gel or anything on it, you can move straight into this eyelash serum. The description box will hold the link to it. You can go click on that link, go straight to it, purchase you some, and guess what? We can all get to growing, period. Okay guys, so basically moving into what's next. As you all know, I have a lip serum. Well, it's not a lip serum, it's a lip oil that contains vitamin E oil, it contains almond oil, it contains Versagel. Also, it has a few other oils inside of it. This one right here is my personal one, so it doesn't have the rose petals in it, but the ones that you all will receive will have roses, dry roses in the inside of it, because it's the rose lip oil, basically a repairing oil. You just apply it to the lips as such. We're just gonna roll it on the lips. As you all can see, it's going on and it's giving a slight gloss, but you can apply more for however glossy you want it. But like I said, it is just a repairing oil, so normally if I put it on, I'll put it on right before bed, after I do my skincare routine, get in the bed, go to sleep with it on in the morning, wake up, have nice soft lips. So if you're interested, like I said, it's going to be in the description box below. These have launched, so if you're interested in them, I have to post more with the rose petals inside of them. But other than that, they're ready to go, guys. So check the description box, click the links, purchase. I'll have them to you, shipped, ready in no time. Also, guys, I also have a lip gloss. I have 3 limited edition lip glosses. So These are 2 out of the 3. I cannot find my personal third one, but it's a darker nude color. It's darker than this one. It's more like my lip color. It's just a gloss, so it's a dark brown. This is the lighter brown, and this of course is a clear, guys. So if you all would like the limited edition, once these are sold out, they're gone. But if you all actually like these, I might bring them back, just different containers, because the packaging I'm not too much really a fan of. I would love more of a pharmacy packaging, but if you all like these, I can make sure that they get a pharmacy packaging. The boxes that they're coming in, this is a sample box, so this is mine. It's gonna come in a black box like this, but it's gonna have something else on it, not just plain like this one. Like I said, this is mine. These 2, this is 2 out of the 3. There's a third color, but this is something else. I haven't quite launched it yet, but these are the charcoal beauty blenders. They're sponges. Of course, they get big. If you've watched any of my videos, past Vlogmas, any of my videos before then, you saw that I use a beauty blender. But now these are my own business beauty blenders, so I'm selling these. This isn't my personal one. Of course, like I said, I've been using mine. You all saw it. It's really going through. All you need is some gentle soap to clean it off and get it back black like this. Gentle non-scented soap. Wash it up under the sink, and the makeup and everything else that you have in it will come out. Trust the process, guys. Makeup is life, believe that. Also, guys, here's what everybody's been waiting on. A lot of people have contacted me about them. Makeup artists, where are you? The dual insulin pens. These are them. This is the more of a fluff blending brush. More so targeted towards the crease, so this can actually like apply those shadows deeper and heavier. If you saw the videos, my past videos, you know I've been using this pharmacy brush to apply every shadow into that crease, along with my Morphe M506, but these 2 specifically have came from the pharmacy. This is just a soft launch for these. Of course, they will be sold separately. You can get them separately now, but right now they're also sold as a duo on sale, so you might as well get the duo, where you can do your shadows and blend out those shadows with this brush so that your makeup could look flawless. I have this right now. There's also more that I cannot show you all because I haven't actually did a video with them yet, and when I do the video, I want to allow, you know, everyone to see how the product works. I've used these already and you all have saw. Like I said, this is the crease blending brush. This is a fluffing blending brush. All you're doing with this one is you're applying those colors in that crease, deepen it up. This brush will allow you to blend out those colors. Make sure there's a flawless blend and a flawless look to them. Guys, I won't be stopping here. I have more things in production, more things that I already have but have not released yet, because of course I want everything to flow effortlessly, seamlessly. Like everything has to go with one accord. We have a whole year ahead of us, so there's a lot more things that will be released. Just stay tuned on the Instagram page. Like I said, everything is going to be in the description box below. Stay tuned for that. Also, guys, we're going to be doing a giveaway on the channel. The giveaway is going to be one of the lip kits. A lip kit, you can either get the lip kit as a box like this, or you can get it in a flat box. It's going to be a rose lip oil. You're also going to receive a mini vitamin. Also, you're going to receive a compact mirror. The compact mirror is just a small white mirror that has 2 mirrors in it. Of course, I don't want to blind you all, so It comes with 2 mirrors in it, guys, so that's going to go in there along with a business card, a sticker, and okay guys, so going back to that serum and that lip kit. The lip kit actually comes with the lip gloss that I showed you, the rose lip oil, and a compact mirror. That's what comes in the lip kit, as I can show you. Hope it doesn't fall out. But here's basically everything that comes in it. They're on the website. You can go and purchase you one. Guys, there's 3 different colors. There's the B12, there's the vitamin D, and there's vitamin C, which is a clear gloss. So if you would like clear, just let me know that you like clear. And basically, guys, that's going to be a lip kit. I'm going to get those shipped out as soon as possible, or we can put them in the box for you. Guys, I'm also still selling the med wraps, the head wrap that you can get that comes in black and pink. Here's the black one that said Glam RX dolls. If you would like to purchase one, everything's going to be in the description box below. Click that description box, click on the link, purchase yours. I'll have it shipped out in no time. Also, these are going to come in these boxes also. Just gives it something to look forward to. Nice, cute, simple. And everything's going to come with a label, logo. Everything is going to be branded. Like I said, these are samples, so these aren't branded, but everything else is branded, guys. So with that being said, that's going to wrap up what's new at the pharmacy. That's going to wrap up everything we're doing right now in the beginning. Stay tuned for my next video, guys. I know you all are waiting to see me unbox that Cricut. Y'all are waiting for natural hair videos, guys. Just stay tuned for those. Click that like button, guys. Also, if you're new, please click that subscribe button. So guys, that's going to be all for this video. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh! Bye!